chicken. It's great. Oh.
So I got this chicken here. Right?
Chicken.
Follow me.
Other chicken.
Brother?
Third chicken. Chicken.
Gia?
Car.
One of the chickens earlier, she was like,
Where's this chicken? Oh.
God.
Come back here. Come here, cute child. Come back here, you child. Yes. Yes. Come here. Don't fall now. Bro, chill. Bro. Whoa. I don't want you to fall. Come here. No, come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, you little child.
You know I love you, right? You know I love you and trust me? And get back on my hat.
On the roof, my child.
Don't go on the roof, no, bad Brody. Bad cameraman. Hi. So this is my chicken. Brody, face.
I got a thorn stuck in my foot.
Oh, two thorns in my foot, dummy. So this is Gretchen.
It's kind of
No,
painful.
This is Gia. Yeah, this is Gia.
Bro, you want to get this thorn on my foot?
Gretchen is in there. Let Gretchen out. Gretchen, come on.
Come here, my child. Whoa, my child.
Oh, dang.
Ah!
Are we on my...
All right, we only got one. All right, you record. I got to go get this thorn on my foot.
Chicken life, you know. Just chicken life. Gal? This is how you do it. Oh, you okay, girl? Oh, God. And the chicken coop. Live with chickens. So, life with chickens is complicated. So you have to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Which you probably don't want to do. So, yeah. Wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning if you got chickens. So, yeah. And get the girls because apparently roosters, they jerks. They're meanies. And there they are again, out of the chicken coop. Come on, cameraman. Struggle, 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 struggle. I was zooming into your face. No, I get this chicken.
You are now my chicken. You are now mine. Bro, you just ran into the thing.
You ain't talking, I ain't talking.
All right.
No, Glenda! Gia!
Where'd your phone go? Oh, there it is. Hey. Will you chill? Stop flapping your wings, please. Duck. Duck.
Goose.
No, that is a duck.
That's a chicken.
That's a duck. This is a chicken. That's a duck.
I'm a finger.
Affleck. All right, you've now calmed down, haven't you?
I just got back from One of the chickens was like. Literally like. Bark, bark, bark. What do you? What do you? Yeah.
Motorcycle. You're a star.
She poops on your head.
You're a star, aren't you?
No more. Bark. Bark, bark,
Tweet.
bark. Flap your wings,
Chew.
chicken.
Here.
Here, let her. Whoa!
Just fly
Run,
away.
chicken, run. Run for your life. Run for your life.
I had a thorn in my foot. That hurt. At first, I didn't know what it was, and it was painful for a good 3 minutes. It was actually pretty easy to get out. I was not even going to lie about that.
Just do this real quick.
Well,